You're like a circle that floats around me.
Hello po, kami po ay mag-unbox ng air dry clay.
Ito po ay nabili namin sa Fadc Air Dry Clay Philippines. Ayan po. So ayan, we have here the what do you call this? This is a greetings from a Fadc Fantastic Air Dry Clay. As you can see here, ayan. Hello, Fadc. Sana magustuhan mo itong kit. I know binili mo ito para either kailangan mo ng hobby or extra income. We will do our best to guide you on your new journey. Here are the steps that you need to do. First is to subscribe on YouTube. You say Mona. Second is to join FB group Fadc Air Dry Clay. Third is to join FB group chat CFB group. And the last is like and follow FB page Fadc Air Dry Clay. If may magawa kang creations, do not be shy to share it sa ating group para sa mas mag-guide ka ng ating mga ka-Fadc. Welcome sa ating Fadc family. You'll say Mona. Ayan. And then, merong checklist. Product checklist. And then, here are the social media accounts, including the YouTube tutorial account. And then the product included here is the red clay, yellow clay, blue clay, white clay, black clay, and skin clay, with a smile maker, 30 keychain, 30 jump rings, 30 screw pins, 1 tool spoon, 1 letter mold, 1 gloss, 1 rolling pin, clay cutter, chibi mold, with kit B only. Okay, and then that's it. Okay, so eto. This is the, I think this is the rolling pin. And then, I don't recall this. I think this is the, this is the clay cutter, I think, or we have here the tool spoon. We have here the this is the, how do we call this? This is the letter mold. And we have here the I think this is the chibi mold. Chibi mold. Chibi. So merong free ayan, ice. Ayan, ice. And then we have here the, I think this is a clay cutter. Then we have here the, what is this? I think this is the gloss. And then this one is the, I don't know what you call this. This is the pin. And we have here the screw pin. So wala siyang jump ring, anak.
Nakalimutan yata.
These are the clays.
All clay.
The 6 clays. You have here the black, yellow, the blue. This is what you call this. This is the white,
Skin.
the skin clay, and then the red. Yeah. So that's it, guys. If you want to know about the air dry clay, you can check it on the their FB page, which is the Fadc Air Dry Clay products. They also have a Shopee account, which is the Kuti Kuti Tapped Air Dry Clay, and also they also have a YouTube account. This is the You Say Mona. Okay, if you want to know about this air dry clay, if you're interested also to start your kids hobby, or you want to start an ideal business, which is this air dry clay making, like souvenirs, keychains, magnet, refrigerator magnet, or even accessories, jewelry accessories. Well, my daughter is very excited to start her own design by using this air dry clay. So sooner we're going to upload the designs that she will be making. Okay, so I'll see you on our next video. Bye. Get this.
You're like a circle.